This is just the beginning of pain in your life.
Name, I'm ruined. I'm ruined.
Power beyond, you shall have it. If only you will grant my request or nothing more.
Amuma will have to bat naked in front of the gods for her predicaments to be over. That is the only solution.
You're going to have strike your mother. And the only solution is for you to go to the evil forest and bring the ancient egg.
Evil forest?
What if she did not return? And what will be the fate of the entire village?
Do not allow her to cross over.
Depart from her, for she is on a mission sent by the gods. Do not take that from her. This is not Ashana, your friend. Seize your breath for the alpha of breath. Amma, do not wait. Seize your breath, Amma. Go! Go, Amma! Flesh for flesh, spirit to spirit, and etching.
What is happening?
God save our land. God save our land. Use me for the exchange.